wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, you're welcome, and for the returning subscribers, welcome back. My name is Stacy. If you're new here and you don't know me, and for those who know me, I know you know me. And this is Stacy and Nikki's YouTube channel. Yay! Nikki, say hi to the people. It's our channel. Together, I am the mom and she's the daughter. Say hi. Say hi. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Blow them kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. Nikki, blow them kisses. Guys, welcome again to another interesting video. In today's video, we're gonna be cooking dinner, and it's a shopping haul too. So it's like shopping haul stroke cook with me dinner and spend an evening with me and my baby Nikki. You see, Nikki is there watching TV, and me, I want to cook as I unbox my shopping. So guys, I started cooking. Let me show you what I'm cooking for today. Is pilau. I'm cooking pilau, so let me show you how it's looking. We cook together, guys. Yeah, I started cooking my meat. You can see the meat here. So we're gonna add this is garlic, ginger. Next, we are adding black pepper to the food. And next, we are adding the pilau masala. Now we're stirring it. Now, atuja add the soya sauce to make the nyama become black. Hi, Nikki. I'm adding the Nikki, stop making noise. Next, we are adding the soup. It's looking amazing. You see the way it's black? It's supposed to be color black because the pilau should be black. Yes, Mama, Moto. Moto. My baby is finally talking. So guys, we're gonna let the soup to boil. Then after that, we're gonna add the tomato paste. I have here my tomato paste. Let me show you. I have my tomato paste. Yeah, now after my water is boiled, I add tomato paste and then I add rice. My water has boiled. We're going to add now the tomato paste. I'm going to add some pilau masala because it's not like nisikuweka enough. I'm gonna add just a little bit, not more. Just a little bit, right? Okay, now we're gonna add now the tomato paste. Hizi ni nyanya nimeblend, sio tomato paste ila duka. You can use the tomato paste, the one for the supermarket. Ama unaweza blend tu nyanya. Me, I've blended the tomatoes. Hi, Nick. Damn. We're gonna leave this to boil for some few minutes. Then, after we are done, we're gonna add rice, and our pilau is gonna be done. So let us continue with the shop. We start with the shopping haul as we wait for this to boil. Then we add rice. Yeah. So guys, let me start now with the things that I got. Where's my water? I had some water for drinking. Mimi nafanya hivyo. Nasikia hivyo ndio inatokaga. Je, tutapika? Guys, umeona kwa nyumba hata hakuna kitu naweza kula Niki akiwa. She always wants to eat everything. So guys, so the first thing I bought is the diaper for Niki, of course, the big one. Of crepes. We have saucy. Saucy. Yeah, that is saucy. And this one is bread. Mama Dudu Guji, relax. Okay, put the sauce here. This is bread. Bread. Yes, it's a bread. Hey guys, bread. And this is yogurt. So guys, we have yogurt too. More yogurt. This is saucy. Say, mommy, say saucy. Stop drinking my water. It's time to press straw. This is more saucy. Yes, saucy. And this is a cake. Okay, we have here 5 eggs. These are eggs. So we have milk. We have 1, 2, 1. Say 1, 4, 5. Nikki, stop eating the saucy. Have milk. Yes, in this papa. Lollipops. These are watermelon lollipops. I love these lollipops. The watermelon flavor. We have straws and medicine. I usually buy medicine for the stomach. In case you want at home, you know, eating. And more medicine. So the first bag is finished. We have Vitamix too. We have peanut butter. Okay, my hair looks weird. We have honey. Nikki, what's up? Mama, you're supposed to sit there. You help me. This is the washing paste for the dishes. So here we have paprika and soap for the shower. Sanitary towels and soda. This soda ni wageni because you all know I don't take soda. So guys, we have blue band. Say blue band, Nikki. 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 Nikki, don't open. Don't open. We have more sanitary towels and we have wet wipes. Open. Open. We have cooking. Oh my god. We have 2 kgs of sugar. Cooking oil, 2 liters. Rice, 2 kg. Maize flour, 2 kg. Okay guys, so the second bag is finished. We have, it's for the vegetables. So we have managus. No. I forgot to, we have the kitchen towel. Hi guys, we have guys tomatoes. I still have more tomatoes, so I was just adding some tomatoes. We have green papers. Not green, black paper, green papers. We have the green papers. I bought several of them, and onions too, 1 kg. Also bought garlic. We also bought ginger, more green papers, and lemons. Hapa ndani tu ni hizo tu. We have garlic, and this year we have potatoes. Yeah. And that's all we had for the shopping. Like, I was not the more things in the house, so we are just buying. We did our last shopping all like 1 week or 1 month ago. Not 1 week, some few weeks ago. So it's just topping up for it to finish like until next month. So guys, let's arrange the fridge with us as quickly as possible because I don't have time. So let us arrange the fridge together, organize the fridge. And the pantry, of course. So guys, before we continue arranging now the fridge and the pantry, I was still cooking. My stew has boiled. We're gonna add now rice. Hey, mi rice yangu unapimaga tu na mkono, nachotaga hivi. I usually pima with my ngundi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Nice. Carrot.
Beloved production. La 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 la. Yeah yeah yeah. Yo. Anasafisha, fisha, anaosha, anaosha, anasafisha. Alexis on the beat. Nimemwona akinifanyia, nimemwona akinitendea. Kweli Mungu amenifanyia, nimemwona akinitendea. Kuna maana isidilie kwa yale ametenda yeye. Huyu Mungu nimemwona. Kuna Mungu wa rehema, neema na kuwazia. Jipe moyo utamwona. Hakuna mpango, ana mipango nawe. Ana mipango nawe.
So guys, I'm finally done arranging my pantry, the fridge, and the food is ready. Let me show you how my pantry is looking. It's not much, but at least it's looking nice. So that's how the pantry is looking. I've not restocked a lot, but it's looking nice. Here are the foods extras for cooking, and here is the food for cooking. Here the stock that I'm using, we still have sugar, we still have rice and unga and everything, unga uji. I just bought extra just in case zishe. Aki sijapanga hapa. Let me just arrange. Here we have my spices. Yup, now it's looking nice. So guys, here we have my food spices for cooking. Yup. So let me Why are you crying, Nikki? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Guys, Nikki is sitting on the microwave. She's the microwave girl, like that fridge girl. Kuja shuke. we show people the fridge. Ashuka uonyeshe watu fridge vile tumepanga, si ndio? Shuka. Leave me come. So guys, that's our fridge. Show people, mommy. Yeah. So here we have yogurt and mi neka blue band yangu by the way kwa fridge because I still have another blue band that I'm using here. So before ile ifikiwe itakuwa imemelt because niteka kwa just so niweka kwa fridge. Even my peanut butter I keep it in the fridge. So you can keep your advice to yourself. You have mint there with bread. Even my bread I put it in the fridge. Yeah, there's some people usually tell me I don't put the bread in the fridge, but I put my bread in the fridge. Down there we have tomatoes and leftovers are chai, maybe some uji pia nikawa kwa fridge kibaki by the way lisiharibike, and water for drinking. Here on the door we have eggs, my sweets. Aki napenda sweet. Only hizi sweet zote. I just love eating sweets. Here we have the So guys, that's how the fridge is looking. Here we have the sodas, the Minute Maid and wherever you can see si lazima shinde nikiwaambia. Kwa freezer yangu sina vitu mingi by the way. Kwa freezer tu niko na kale ka ice cream na tu smoky tutatu na water cube. So guys, that's all we had for the video and my dinner is finally done. Let me show you how the dinner is looking. So guys, this is our dinner. It's pilau. Unaona the way it's so dark. So let me serve it and then I'll show you. So guys, finally I have served my food. Here's my pilau. Just look at it, the way it's so yummy. Wow. I can't wait to eat it. It looks amazing. So guys, thank you for watching the video up to here. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. And that's all we had in this video. I didn't have much. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Bye. See you on the next one.